how to change your Facebook profile picture settings. So I have in here my profile picture. Let's head over and see our profile picture. So my profile picture is available to friends as for this icon right here. If you want to change your picture settings, what you can do is you can click on this three dots. And then after that, you have in here the settings. You can edit your caption. You can delete this. You can save this. You can share this. And you can also edit the privacy as well as alt text. So let's change the privacy right here into public. And let's also change in here the alt text. So you can add in here the alt text that you want. And then you can also click on the three dots and then edit the caption. Now add the caption that you want for this one. Now once it's been added, head over and click on the save changes right here, and as you can see, it's been added right there. So that's how you change your Facebook profile picture settings. Hope you help.